Uninstalled apps still cluttering your app store? In 60 seconds I'll show how to hide them from purchased. Open the App Store and tap your profile photo in the top right. Tap Purchased, then My Purchases to see apps tied to your Apple ID. Find the uninstalled app, swipe left and tap Hide to remove it from the list. The app disappears from Purchased, it's hidden, not deleted from your account. To remove from your iPhone, long press the app icon and choose Remove App or Offload App. To unhide, tap your profile, then tap your name and choose Hidden Purchases in Account Settings. Find the app under Hidden Purchases and tap Unhide to return it to your purchased list. If it still shows, sign out of the App Store and sign back in or restart your device. Tip: use Offload to keep app data while freeing space, and hide purchases to keep your list tidy. Quick recap: App Store, Profile, Purchased, swipe left to hide. Account Settings, Hidden Purchases to unhide. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.